Nutri Ninja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor Blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.